System Restore, a tool that's been part of Windows for many years. It's still there in Windows 11, but it's turned off by default. System Restore has improved greatly over the years and can get you out of a jam, which is why it's there in the first place. System Restore can restore you to a place before the problem happened. So it needs to be turned on if you want it to be able to help protect you. It isn't a replacement for doing an image backup, but it's a quick way in most instances to recover from a crash caused by many different things that can make the system crash. Let's go through and show you how to turn this thing on and how to use it. Before we do, take a little look at my restore points. I create one before I do major things on the system. Yesterday, I created one before I allowed Avast to do its cleanup. Just in case it does something that didn't work out so well, I can get back to before it happened. Windows quite often creates its own system restore point provided it's working. You should be using this before you do major changes to your computer. Let's get to the tutorial of turning it on. The easiest way to open System Restore is click on the Start button. Once it opens, start typing System Restore, and you'll see something that says Create a Restore Point. That's what you select. From here, you can configure it, and that's to make sure that the system protection is turned on, because by default this is turned off. You can also allocate the amount of space reserved on your hard drive for these restore point creations. Of course, the more space you allocate, the more restore points you can create. It isn't important to have a great number of restore points on hand, because you can always create a new one and get rid of the old ones once you know your system is working properly after having done some major updates. From here, you can restore to a previously created restore point. You can also create, and this is what you should do anytime you do major changes. Before you make those changes, open this up and create a restore point. Make up a name for that restore point so you can mark it before whatever change happens, and then just create that restore point. If you run into a problem, System Restore means you want to restore it, and they give you a recommended restore point, but you can choose a different restore point if the one listed isn't a date prior to when the problem happened. And then just simply choose a different, select Next, and it will show you most of the restore points. If what you're looking for still isn't here, show more restore points. That will show everything that's currently available. Just a quick look of making sure System Restore is turned on and how you should be using it. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.